My name is Koert Van Ittersum. I'm an associate professor of marketing here in College of Management. I've been here since 2003. Before that I spent 3 years at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and before that I actually got my PhD in the Netherlands in marketing. So strategic brand management is a very foundational course that teaches students really the foundations of what is branding all about, what are brands, how do you build them, and so forth. The class starts off at the individual level, and throughout the semester we build towards allowing students to build branding strategies. And one of the things I'm very excited about as part of this class is that we work with a local company that brings in live accounts, so the students throughout the semester actually work on an actual branding case for an existing company and present the final results to the company at the end of the semester. I think one of the key things that I really like about this class is that people really walk away with a really thorough, good understanding of what branding is all about. A lot of people out there think they know what branding is all about, and they talk about, yeah, branding is about advertising. We spent about one class on advertising during the whole semester, and branding is so much more. And so having this good understanding of what branding is all about is one thing. A second key thing is then there's a lot of opportunity for the students to apply what they learn in class, in cases, in all these, in different instances they can apply the materials, and so they get a really hands-on experience as part of the class. So they don't have to wait till the semester is over and hope that some other class or another project pops up that they can apply it. It's all integrated in this course. Well, the workload for this class is quite steep. I'm just honest about it. I can save it for the first day of class, or I can share right now. I get a lot of good feedback on this class, but one of the more critical notes is it's a lot of work. I don't do that for the sake of creating work. I think we have better things to do with our lives, but just by the reason I do it is really it's a kind of a necessity. I really want people to have a thorough fundamental understanding of what branding entails, and I use quizzes and a midterm exam for that. But on the other hand, I wanted to be able to apply what they learn in class in actual cases and so forth. And so yeah, that adds up to a lot of work. But so there's going to be one quiz. About halfway through the semester we have a substantive midterm exam. There's no final exam because I want basically the last part of the semester. I want people to work on their semester-long project. That's the project I referred to earlier with the company. And so it's going to be another one individual assignment as part of it. It's kind of an interesting one actually. It deals with I am a brand. So we talk a lot about building brands in the context of B2C companies, B2B companies. But one of the assignments we do is an I am a brand assignment where people apply the branding principles they learn about in class to themselves in their pursuit for a new job, for a different job, and so forth. So that's kind of what the workload entails. I think personally what I really try to do is to really create an environment that students enjoy, and I do that by using a mixture of assignments, a mixture of the way I teach. Sometimes I lecture, more often than not we have in-class discussions. I stimulate people to bring like things that they see in the news and the business week to class, so we can talk about that. It's really a mixture of things. Sometimes throughout the semester we do some in-class experiments. There are mini cases that we discuss. So there's a whole variety of experiences that people go through, and I think that adds up to a nice class atmosphere.